So really excited as I'm now getting to take out this wonderful and iconic XK120 competition Roadster. We've just made some final checks. The guys have just made some final checks on the engine. I'm about to get in it, get started, and we'll see you out on the road. That was immense. It looks fantastic, it sounds fantastic, and it drives incredibly. This car has actually an amazing racing history. It has been driven by Duncan Hamilton, and it's also raced against the legendary Sterling Moss, who was at the time driving the first ever C-Type Jaguar. So if you would like to become a part of this car's history, then please do give us a call at JD Classics and we'll be more than happy to show you around this iconic XK120 Roadster.